Hey guys, although Huawei is going through possibly the worst time, the company is still pushing new devices in the market. The Chinese technology giant has announced that it is holding a launch event in China on 5th June where it will unveil the Maimang 8 smartphone. The company has shared few teaser posters of the Huawei Maimang 8 smartphone which reveal some of the key specifications. It confirms that the device will feature a 6.21-inch of display with a water drop notch. As far as memory configuration, it is offered with a 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. The phone will feature a triple rear camera setup aligned vertically in the top left corner. It will have a 24MP plus 16MP and 2MP of triple rear AI camera. It comes with a rear mounted fingerprint sensor for security. As far as the interface, it will come with an 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB port for charging and transferring data. The company has not yet revealed which chipset that this phone will be powering with. It is expected that this will be powered by a Kirin 730, which is a competitor for Snapdragon 730. So it is likely that Maimang 8 will have an 700 series chipset, and as per the reports, the phone will also come with the company's GPU turbo technology, which is a graphic acceleration technology aimed at improving the gaming experience. This is all we know about the Maimang 8. On June 5th, we will get the confirmed official specification. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and please do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.